Hello, my name is Nisa and I'm here. I'm going to try to do this paint by numbers by Artlane. Okay, you can actually find these designs online through the Artlane website. And here I have some of the design. Two sizes. One is 20 by 20 centimeters. Another one is 25 by 25 centimeters. And they also have some difficulties level. Here is the simpler one. If you are beginner or this is also good for young children, you can use this one. There's no difficulty level here, but if you are taking, for example, this design, the unicorn, you can see here there is some stars. It means it's 3 out of 5. Can you see that? Okay. So this is not so bad. My daughter who is 12 years old, my son who is 8 years old also can do this level. So they have many different designs. Okay, so today I'm going to use the bigger size, which is the 25 to 25. I have 3 different choices here. Okay, you can see first this is the final result, expected final result. The next one that I have is this one with the difficulty levels of 4 out of 5, and this one is 3 out of 5. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do the 3 out of 5. Okay, it's good if you haven't tried this before. Try to take the lower one. Once you enjoy this, then you can use the higher level one. Okay, so what is this actually? So in this packaging, we have the canvas itself already with the design and everything with the color code here. See the color code? Okay, and you don't have to worry about the paint, the brushes, because they actually prepare everything here. They have the tubes of the paint. They provided the brushes and also the canvas. Yeah, and then at the end, this canvas is will be ready to hang. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. Okay, so I've got the design, and now we see what's inside. This is the canvas we put aside, and now we have many tubes and containers and numbers and brushes. Okay, so let's open this. The first thing that I think we need to do is we need to put all paint in the containers. Okay, to make it easy when we work. So before we put the paints in the container, as you can see, every paint comes with the numbers. And we don't know what colors are the number in each tube. So I think it's easier if we put all these paints into this container. So before that, I'm going to label all this. Put it upside down like this. And label this one up to 19 plus 1, 20. So we're going to put the same thing. From number 1 to number 20. Okay, so I have put all the paint inside the container. If you want to see the colors, you can just turn it upside down. You can see all the colors with all the numbers already. Okay, and then I put all the tubes inside this plastic in case I need more. But usually, whatever is here is sufficient enough for the painting. Okay, and then they also provide these 3 different brushes. One is the flat one. Maybe I use this. And then the other 2 is the finer size for the detailings and the small areas. Okay, and then they also provide this little screw and something to be put at the back of the canvas to hang later. Okay, so this one we want to keep it. And they also provide this. This is exactly the same as the painting. Okay, they put it like this in case after, maybe I think in case after we paint everything, we want to touch up and we can't really see the numbers because there is paint on it, so we can always trace back from here. Okay, and they also have the instruction here, but they have the canvas, the acrylic paint, the brushes. You can actually read this or you just watch my video. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Okay, I've tried this before, and based on my experience, it's best to start with the lightest color to the darkest color. So here we can, it doesn't go by 1 2 3 4 5 6. I mean, it's an option, but it is easier to start from the lightest one. And here we have this, so we want to try with this color, because this one or this one also okay, so whichever you like. Now this one is number 1, coincidentally. So, and then always prepare a little bit this water tissue, okay, in case the water is too much. Okay, so here we look for number 1, because just as we want to use number 1. Number 1 is this one. It's quite big area. So for the middle part, we can always use the flat brush, but the sides, this one, we can use the small one. So I'm gonna use this one. We open this one. Okay, this one is quite thick. I'm gonna put my brush in the water and then just put some water here. It looks like little, but it works just fine. Okay, and then mix it a bit, so it'll be like a bit runny. I feel that we can just use this instead of other container, so it's easier. This. Okay, and we start with number 1. Start with the side first. Okay, and remember, although this one paint by numbers, at the end we don't want to show everybody the numbers, so make sure all the numbers is covered, so no one will think this is by numbers. Then they will see that you are very good in painting. I think this one is a bit too thick, so I'm gonna add more water. You can feel it? Okay. Yeah, so just continue all number 1 here. Now, if you're done with this area, you can always find another number 1. So my suggestion is to make sure all number 1 in this canvas is painted. Doesn't matter whether it's this side or this side or this side. As long as number 1, just paint all number 1. Then move to another color. That way you don't have to change so many colors too many times. Okay? So hi, this is the end result of the painting. I've done it about 10 to 12 hours, and this is the picture that I provide, and this is the end result. It's quite identical and I love it. This one I did it with 2 layers each to make sure that the color spread evenly. This is good, and I will try to do another one with a higher level. So if you like it, you can check the Artlane website, and you can try to buy this and bring home and try to enjoy yourself doing some art. Thank you.